Out here on my friend Bill Depkin's farm, I can grow just about anything I want. But most of us gardening at home don't have that much space, which is why I have fallen for this new watermelon, Mini Love. It's got 3 to 4 foot vines, which will fit in most gardens, and the fruits are a little more family sized. How did I find out about Mini Love? From All America Selections. All America Selections is a nonprofit that evaluates new flowers and vegetables that you can grow right from seed at home. Their volunteer judges trial the plants across North America, and if the plants receive enough high scores, like Mini Love here, they become award winners. How am I going to eat this little guy? I'm going to start by cutting him in half. Then I'll shave off the rind, cut it into a small dice. I'm going to use a few other All America Selections award winners to make my gazpacho, starting with this little cherry tomato called Midnight Snack. They're so sweet, you're going to want to eat all of them right off the vine. Now, how do I know when they're ready to pick? The top is going to turn black while the bottom turns a nice bright red. Next, I'm going to add some sweet heat with these chili pie peppers. We'll finish with some Dolce Fresca basil. This basil is slow to flower, which means that you'll be harvesting a lot more leaves all season long. It also means it's going to keep looking great either in the garden or mixed in a container with some flowers. We'll finish it with a splash of vinegar for a little pop and a drizzle of honey to keep that watermelon sweet. So refreshing. It's a perfect way to start off a summer meal. For this and more garden fresh, simple seasonal recipes, visit allamericaselections.org. And whatever size plot or container you're planting up this year, enjoy cooking with homegrown ingredients and enjoy the delicious results.